Assalamualaikum and good morning. So my name is Abdul Muiz bin Mazili and my team today will be presenting our project entitled TrustGuard Community Safety and Crime Prevention Mobile Application. So I will be covering the project overview, objective, system requirement, planning, system design, testing activities and the logic gateway. So let's begin with the problem statement. Nowadays, reporting crimes is still in fashion in many communities. People often rely on phone calls, WhatsApp groups, or visiting the police station physically. This method can delay response and make it difficult to include photo or videos evidence. The second issue is the lack of transparency after submitting a report. Users usually cannot track its progress or know whether any action has been taken. This reduces public trust in the reporting system. Lastly, there is a limited visualization of crime data without hotspot maps or dashboards. Both residents and authorities find it difficult to identify crime patterns and respond proactively. Next, I will go to the project objective. To solve this problem, TrustGuard has three main objectives. First, to provide a centralized and user-friendly platform where users can submit crime report with GPS location and multimedia evidence. Second, to transform collected data into useful insight through hotspots maps and interactive dashboard. Third, to improve transparency by allowing users to monitor the status and history of their submitted report. So slide 4 is about a scope of study. Our project scope is divided into two sections. I have the user scope and the system scope. For the user scope, community members can register, log in, submit crime reports, attach photo or videos, view the safety dashboard and track the status of their reports. So administrators or authorities can securely log in, verify submitted reports, update report status and send official notification to users. So for the system scope, TrustGuard consists of four main modules. First, I have user management. Second, I have incident reporting. Third, I have a dashboard and visualization. And lastly, I have the case tracking with notification. The application is designed for Android device and requires an internet connection for real-time synchronization. Slide 5 is about functional and non-functional requirement. Okay, next are the system requirement. The functional requirement include user registration, authentication, incident reporting, media attachment, GPS-based location reporting, case tracking, hotspot visualization, and notification features. Meanwhile, the non-functional requirement focus on usability, performance, security, reliability, and compatibility to ensure the application is user-friendly, secure, and perform efficiently across Android devices. Slide 6, we focus on the project planning. For project planning, we adopted the Agile software development lifecycle. The project progressed through several phases: planning, design, development, testing, deployment, review, and finally launch. This approach allows us to continuously improve the application through regular testing and feedback during development. So slide 7 and 9, we focus on the system design. Now, let's look at our system design. The use case diagram illustrates how two main actors, the community user and the admin, interact with the system. The class diagram shows the relationship between the application main classes and how data is organized. Finally, our database consists of 6 main data tables: users, community users, admin, crime report, media evidence, and notifications. These tables work together to manage user account, incident reports, supporting evidence, and notification services efficiently. So next, I will go to the slide 10, which is about the testing activities. Before deployment, we carry out several testing activities. We perform unit testing on 13 core functions such as login, registration, report submission, notification, and profile management. Integration testing ensure all components including Firebase and Google Maps API work together correctly. Non-functional testing evaluate usability, performance, security, reliability, and compatibility. Finally, user acceptance testing (UAT) involve 11 real-world scenarios to ensure the real application met user expectation. So next, I will go to the last slide for me, which is about Citizen Portal Gateway. This is the Citizen Portal Gateway, which is the first screen users will see. Users can log in using their registered credential, create a new account by selecting register account, or recover their password through the forgot password features. This gateway ensures secure access before users can access the application main features. That concludes my parts of the presentation. I will hand over the presentation to my teammate. One will demonstrate the citizen features, administration modules, and conclude the presentation. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Son Muhammad Hafiz Kwan, and I will be presenting from this page. Moving to the core interface of the Citizen portal, we have the Citizen main hub here. Here, the central panel renders automated status updates displaying local perimeter clearance condition that letting you know immediately if your neighborhood is safe. So, below that, 4 responsive grid sector allow you to quickly submit fillings, view the vector map, track case updates, and the query notification and alerts. So the next page is the file safety dossier, which operate as a core engine for the Citizen portal. This is where user can access their case history, tracking submitted reports, organized under clean tabular filtering states such as pending, verified, and rejected. When inputting incident intelligence, you simply tap the floating plus button to the enter categorization text, detailed narrative blocks, and media evidence file. Crucially, our hardware level map API automatically pulls precise location coordinates to verify the active workspace. On the global vector maps, user can integrate the hotspot map vector by tapping dynamic red pin map markers. So doing so overlays comprehensive structural data parameters on specific neighborhood crimes. You can also query regional history, filtering historical metrics by target operational zone using a clear location selection drop-down interface. For security setting, the profile verification screen let users manage their identity setting by reviewing accounts profile tags, register contact strings and unique identifier, and also location mapping cards. User can safely execute password upgrades here by running automated backend encryption changes. So I move to the next slide, which is the transitioning to the admin control. The administrative analytics dashboard logs metric profile to check individual operational tied to the system tracking keys. Admin can audit system global status vectors by monitoring total active system properties, data model, pending case tags, and also parse historical document logs. Additionally, they can monitor live system alerts sorted chronologically to trace action markers left by active fail moderator. The next page is to manage personnel. The directory account setup provide the access to the centralized user registry, identifying target accounts category using clear color text, And here we can provision the new system account, create official authority account by filling out form inputs, assigning roles and mapping operational branches. So the next slide is the for core operations. The moderator validation interface allow authority to review the pending crime queue, inspecting incoming cases workflow and cross-referencing precise location coordinates with user descriptive profile. So moderator execute operational disposition by using this definitive command button to either push item properties to the map or reject the filling. So with hotspot management, admins can inspect dying map pins, selective specific geographical marker to the deep dive report properties, tracking fields and UUID index. If needed, they can execute administrative override to alter data value directly or trigger purge to immediately drop clear error or map vector from public view. So the next page is the batch file interaction module allow admin to bypass standard filling flow by manually inserting data rows. Adding quick category descriptors and location point into active backend path. It also executes the bulk file stream function to instantly parse extensive data tables via the Excel data input or compile formatted summary for external file report. So finally we go to the operation control. The operation control screen track core access property, auditing moderator parameter, assigning parameter, authority status tags and contact lines. Admin can manage system preference nodes by the toggling alert tracking modes, updating identify data parameter and adjusting backend data operations. They can also securely terminate their session using the logout button to quickly lock the workspace terminal and server connection links. So, thank you for your time and attention. TrustGuard is proud to be empowering communities through transparent incident tracking. That's all from me, and I will pass to the Loganathan to continue the app's presentation.
Thank you, Juan. So let me continue further. So this is our TrustGuard mobile applications backend, which is we use Kotlin language. And for layout, we use the XML language. So I continue with the application. This is our TrustGuard Community Safety and Reporting mobile application. So after opening the APK, we can see the login page, and also there's a register account, which is the user doesn't have a login. So we should include full name, email address, phone number, home address. This home address will be beneficial in further in dashboard of the application for users. So the password we should include symbols, the modern day password category. So as symbols, capital letters, numbers, and normal characters. After registering, we will continue with the user dashboard. So let me show madam the login. So now I log in as a user. Logan Shivam. And also there's a crucial point, which is the email should be a real email. So if the email password is forgotten, after we click the forgot password, there's a page open here, which is we include the email address and the phone number. And in the back, it will identify and send a recovery password message to the email. If the real email is inputted, we can really receive the recovery password from the email, which is currently in spam category. Okay, let me continue with the login. So let's see. Okay. Now I log in as a user. So this is the user dashboard, which is here shows as a welcome and the nickname we use to register in the first register account. And if your home area is safe and live status is redirectly continue from the address we inputted in the register account. So we continue with the home address as a default here. So if any cases newly like 1 week ago have updated in the system, in the your home area or neighborhood, it will pop up here as your home area is safe. It's currently in safe because this is my address and neighbor is showing clear. If there's any new reports have notified, will show if there's a certain amount of reports have been notified in your neighborhood. It show it like that. So this is the dashboard which is have notification profile setting. So submit crime report, view crime hotspots, track my report, notification. And this nearby activity, wherever madam go to a new place, will after opening the app, it will show here as 14 alerts are nearby in the current area. So these are the nearby activity. This is a live tracking. So let's try to submit a new crime report. Select crime report. That's already I giving such we gave suggestions such as theft, vandalism, assault, and suspicious activity. And for other, there's a new if we want to specify the crime type, we can input new one. So let's say what kind? Okay, just put suspicious activity. Activity. And the description we put test 29. Okay. After that, the incident location is auto-detected currently for the user and it will auto-detectly show my current address and upload evidence. We can upload medias is for admin to verify the crime is really happened or not. Okay, photo, videos, and gallery. Currently, since this application is currently showing in virtual device in my laptop, so we can't actually open the camera right now. If we used in a real smartphone, we can use it. So currently, I submit report. After submitting the report will be notified to the admin. So, like new crime I have received from a user named the Rocky. That will in the address is Sri Muda, like that. So okay, after the report is have submitted, we also can check the report's progress, such as all reports verified or rejected. Currently, the report we submitted was in pending. Okay, and if the admin is a verify, it will pop up here, and rejected, it will pop up here. So these are all reports. Even if the verify or rejected, it will come up here. So, and then the button is still in the new crime report, the same function. And for map, this is the interface for the map hotspot map for the user. As we can see, here, the nearby activity that shows like we can tap on it and say property damage. The source is the source meaning is if there are two types of crime reporting in the system. So one is user and another is admin. So for admin, whenever the admin has uploaded the crime reports themselves, it will pop up as official news. If the users have submitted the report, after admin approve it, it will show as community members by source by community member. This currently is property debit, and we also can check the view details. Okay, property damage report ID will show and description property damage. If any media is uploaded, it will show up here. and this is the location. So, and also after the crime admin is verified, will our report also will be show in this area. Okay. And this also a crime history which is show all over the Malaysia, which is sorted by first Selangor, Kuala Lumpur, Perak for the states, and after clicking it, we show as a district. District like for Selangor, we say like Shalam, Petaling Jaya like that. And after click it again, we show the world reports in that area. See this virtual device, I can really click on the top bar. As in real device, we can click it. And then profile setting. This is the profile. We can also change phone number, home address, and also change password. The current person, new person, confirm new password, and show notification preferences and privacy settings. So after this, let me show you in admin how the admin will approve it. So this the admin login. This is the admin dashboard, which shows as a work summaries. And this current admin is the first admin ever registered in the account. So batch ID shows as B001. And the current admin's personal summary is the admin has verified total of 18 reports. And the total reports approval was 14 and 4 are rejected. And system global summary is all the admins all together. So there are two global pending reports which is need to be approved or rejected, and the global approve is 16 and global reject 6. Global total all over the total reports are currently in admin only for users is 24, but in the backend there's a records in Google hotspot map. Total of 1007 has been recorded currently. So this 1007 has been recorded by the admin uploads. This 24 users reported crime reports which is approved or rejected. These are the total of that and these are total of this. And also admin can add more people or make it as add new user as a community member or maybe admin. If we add it as an admin, it will be recorded as a new. So currently we have B002 and the new admin will be B003. Only the admin will receive the batch ID, which is crucial in the back end. So we can track whenever reports have been falsely approved or not. So we can track who approved the particular report for because that's why we have a batch ID. And let me go to reports. Suspicious activity reported. So this is the user we added. So this is the location of my address. And if we uploaded the medias, will be a pop-up here. So let's say we verify the report. And this function will be after clicking it, will show my name, phone number, and address. The phone number is for maybe they can call us and verify the report really or not. The number also we know is it a real person or not, or just scamming. Okay, let's say we verify the report. Verifying. So report as verified. So these are the verified reports by this admin and rejected. So let's say we open the maps. So in the maps have been already included our current report. So this is about okay. And also there's a feature where we unzoom it, we can see there are how many cases around the area. And we undo more, the markers will be included into the certain amount, 20 plus, 10 plus, like that, like marker cluster. So if you opening up, will pop up in the area. And we also can search places such as we put Kuala Lumpur at the territory, and we'll open in the area how many crimes are reported. So if you can see, there are many. These reports are actually demo using we include these data we fetch it from the AI. So we ask for more similar cases around the area for for the application data set. So these are AI generated. These are not real crimes, not yet to be real crimes. So let's go upload crime. So this upload crime is the source just now I talk about. The source is um, uploaded by the admin will be as a source of official news, not like community. Community is for only users who reported that admin has approved or rejected. So category we also same as, but only the location is not auto-detected. We should search for the place because the admin is there is manually reporting, uploading the reports. Okay. There's also import and export report. We can export the report as PDF or Excel folder. And import we can we just try now Excel spreadsheet. We can add batch or import records or remove batch or delete records. Okay. So the settings is the same as users. We can change the phone number, home address, and other details. Also, I want to explain about the system. So this application, which is really important because let's say I'm moving out from my current home to a new place, which I'll be living in future. So this application will help me to find out in the new place have been really crimes occurred in the surrounding area. So by knowing the place, we can be aware even if our relations or family members go out, we can warn them, which is these places are like these places are most popular for chain snatching. This most popular for bullying like that. So they will be cautious and aware about the crimes happening around the place. This is the main focus in this application. Okay. So let's say we log out as admin and log in back to as a user to check the verified report has been updated to the user or not. So after logging in as a user, we can check out the application. The 2 alerts nearby is have been, or 15 alerts nearby is have been updated, and track my reports. We can track my reports and show the our report is verified. And also we can check the notification. Your report T90 it has a ID for the current report has been verified and thank you. If I actually use in a real device, the message will be pop up as a normal device notification. Okay. In the maps, the reports has been updated. And another feature, which is for only the admin, not all the admin, but single admin. This is like a main admin, so like a super admin. So let me show you that part. Okay, so this is for super admin. which I mentioned. So after command system, TrustGuard command system, the super admin also can verify the reports, but this is not the main function of the super admin. The main function is manual upload. So the manual upload, we can also add the crimes manually one by one, but one by one isn't necessary. So we can export as Excel the whole data and export as a PDF and batch import. So let's say we export Excel. Let's put for past 1 month. Export it. Okay. These are the crimes that have been updated. Official news, official news. These official news are posted by the admin, and this community is posted by the users, community members. And also we can export as a PDF file. 3 months. Okay. So these are the PDFs, which is currently focus on the reports, incident ID type, which is type, and the address, where's the location, and the source is official news. Okay. So these are the function for super admin and also crime history. You can see the crime history by checking out this, and you can track like clicking it, it will go to the map, which the location, and the super admin can edit the report. This feature is not for normal admins, it's only for super admin. Assault, physical assault incident report. Okay. So let me show you in database, which database we used was Firestore. For Firestore, we have a total of 4 collections, which is the first one is crime history. The crime history reports the after manual uploading the reports by the admin will automatically come to here the crime history, and the users reports which is approved or rejected, only the approved reports will be saved in the crime history. Okay. For the crime reports, for this collection, which is each user's details and the locations and the reports references, which is approved, pending, or conditions where the currently have been happening. This has verified at this time and verified by this number, which is the batch ID for the user, for the admin, sorry, for admin, and report ID, the notification for the users. This notification will be uploaded, target role, and total of how many users are there in total. So this is our mobile application, which is crime safety, community safety and crime reporting system. And for the link, the APK can be installed from the link. After clicking the link, it will pop up in GitHub, which is at web admin panel, which is mentioned as super admin. Yeah, madam, the link. And as going to the assets, it will pop up here, TrustGuard APK. After clicking, we can download it and try the application. So that's all for me. Thank you, madam.